Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw on cax.io Power Tab. Open Finances tab. Click Withdraw button in the upper right. Choose the currency of withdrawal and follow the provided instructions. Alternatively, you can click on withdrawal icon next to the currency of your choice. Click Select the destination to choose where to send funds. The availability of payment methods depends on the currency, your location, and verification level. Enter the sum you wish to withdraw. The total amount, together with the commissions, is indicated below, and you will receive line. The Proceed button will be activated once you confirm that you have read and agree with the risk and notice. Once you have confirmed your risk appetite, check the box and click on this option. Verify your details and initiate the transaction by clicking Confirm Withdrawal in the pop-up screen. After that, you will be asked to confirm the withdrawal with the 2FA code. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.